This is why you need to know about these game-changing technologies. They're transforming our lives in ways you won't believe. First up, we have artificial intelligence. From voice assistants like Alexa to predictive algorithms, AI is making life smoother, smarter, and a whole lot cooler. Next on the list, 5G technology. Imagine downloading a full HD movie in seconds. Faster internet means more connected devices and endless possibilities. Third, we have quantum computing. Think of it as a supercharged brain for solving complex problems in seconds, which would take today's computers thousands of years. Number 4, CRISPR gene editing. This tech is like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to cut and paste DNA. It's already making strides in curing genetic diseases. Last but not least, renewable energy innovations. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming more efficient, helping us fight climate change and power a greener future. And there you have it. 5 technologies shaping our world and making the future brighter every day. Stay curious, stay tech savvy.